I held on for dear life to the Girl Guard, and the vehicle finally stopped. The motivation was just, for lack of a better term, like, hell, you're going to win. I wanted my independence back. It's been a lot over the last year, but I'm proud to say I'm still here. I've put in the work.
I think the hardest thing going into Sunday is, are the legs going to do what they're supposed to do?
I was about 20 miles into my morning bike ride while I was straddling my bike at a stop sign, waiting for the oncoming car that had right-of-way. That vehicle stopped short of the intersection, cut his wheels, gunned the engine, and plowed into me. It became, just get out from underneath the car, just get out from underneath the car. This arm was black and blue, this wrist was broken, this had road rash. I looked down and I saw the damage to my leg. My entire quad was filleted open. I was told in the ER that they were going to go in there. If they could reattach everything and close me, they would. God had a miracle to give out that day, and he picked me. Dr. Warner saved my life, as in I have a leg and everything. And then Dr. Camarillo gave me back my life, and the fact that he had to help me with my mobility.
As soon as I could start rehabbing and doing therapy, I did. My first goal was just to walk again. I'm the kind of person, as a runner and a cyclist, that I have to train for something. And so I felt it was only appropriate to train for this, because if it wasn't for my UT doctors, I probably wouldn't have my leg. I had my little morning pep talk with Dr. Warner this morning before the race started, and I decided to attempt the run. And so I just paced myself, made sure I utilized all of the water stations. And then the closer I got to the finish, I saw Dr. Warner again on the sidelines cheering for me, and that solidified how important this was for me. This event means that hopefully, I have a little bit of my normal life coming back. So they kind of saved my leg and they saved my life.